The product adopts the Bluetooth 4.0 solution, which supports the direct play of iOS devices, and the Bluetooth connection does not require redundant gaming platforms and complicated settings and activation operations. Especially to stimulate the Battlefield PUBG King Glory Wilderness Action Direct Play mobile design games, support Android 6.0 or higher, iOS 11.0 system or higher. Wide compatibility. The product Bluetooth connection supports smart TV/set-top box/PC computer. Removable and replaceable disc cross button. With the turbo acceleration button, you can set 8 action buttons. You can download the exclusive app to set the custom button.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,